It's a big light bar. Okay guys, so today we're doing something really cool. So first of all, you might hear my dad because he's at his workshop and it's Saturday. Secondly, you're going to hear a truck drive up because, well, we got something awesome that my grandpa won at a bid. And for some reason it's not working. So you're going to see him drive up, but don't worry about him. But let's hop into this video. So, this is what we got. A fire truck. First of all, using my grip cover because this blinker won't turn off. I think it's going to. This truck is a 1948 Ford F700 diesel. It is 27 feet long, 9 feet high, and 171 inches wide. The weight is about 500,000 pounds, and it is a pumping truck. So we don't know what the mileage is, and we couldn't find any more information about it, so I'm just going to show you what I know about it. And okay, so first of all, yeah. So actually, while I was setting up this camera, getting ready for it, just now I heard something like the brakes do something, but I don't know what it was. So first of all, this is supposed to be a ladder truck. We don't think ladders go on the side, but I think we'll start off in the back because I need my dad to help me open the doors. Because, I mean, the door's pretty high. We have to. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. So this is the place where the firemen would sit. They got flashlights and their tank straps in the here, and then of course seatbelts. And then they can annoy the driver. So really there's supposed to be 5 people can ride this thing. So we're really 6, because 1, 2, 3, and I'll show you inside later, but 4, 5, and 6. So, yeah, that's basically how much people can ride this thing. And when I say a fire truck, they have doors. So, I'm going to show you the doors. What's in them, because they didn't take everything out. Okay, so the first one has this stuff in it. Yeah, this thing has nothing in it, but that sees to the other side, so we're going to go check that out. We're going to leave this door open. Actually, we can't open this door. We don't know how, but over there's my favorite side. I'll show you why. Man, it's really muddy out here. It's rained so much, but okay, next door. There we go. There's nothing in it, I don't think. There's lights in it, which is weird, and I'm getting rained on by the door. There is this door, which there's a thing, I don't know what to call that. Yeah. We were making fun of my brothers yesterday, and I said to my little brother, you could sleep in one of these. So then, since it's muddy, we can't from back there, so we gotta enter from this side, which is gonna take me a few seconds. Okay, hopefully you can see me good. Yeah.
If you need help, let me know, okay?
Okay. That was my dad. So, this... Oh, camera's wonky. Okay. So this is... So we think there was supposed to be a big ladder in here. They took it out. And those are the lights, and behind that is like where we just were. And then I think these are like storage areas. Pump lid. We can't get into the storage areas. Well, I can't. But yeah. And then as we proceed onto the next side, yeah, we're not going that way. It's muddy. There's water everywhere. maybe my dad will turn it on and do all the horns. That will make our neighbors happy. Okay, so, sorry it's so bright. Here's the next one. Why are these so hard to open? Oh yeah, so this is my favorite one, like I said. All the buttons. So that's the one you can see to the other side, and now that I think of it, I still don't know how to open this door. Leave in the comments and tell me if you know how to open this door, because I don't, and there's tons of buttons that I want to push over there. I haven't pushed any of these, but I want to so bad. Then, I did not know how we're going to get to that one because of all that water, but there's weird stuff in there. And we are just over there, and hopefully, just hopefully, don't know how we're going to do this. There is stuff in this one. Okay, got it. Oh yeah, there's more stuff in this one. So there's that pump, and then we do not know what that is, but I say it looked like a Lego plate where I could put Legos on. So yeah, I'm gonna close all these doors. Somehow I'm gonna get this one because I'm really small, and yeah, I'm gonna get my dad's help to do that. Oh, jeez, these doors. Let's go the fun way. Also, I think you're supposed to like put stuff right here. I don't know why there's a seatbelt. Yeah. Super cool. Here, we gotta close this. This could even be a good place to sleep. So I'm gonna quickly get my dad to help me close those. I'll see you guys in a bit. So, my dad also helped me open the doors because I can't reach them. So, first of all, before we do the door, before we do the cab, did I mention there's a diesel? Because as I was opening the doors, I realized that this was here, the diesel fuel only. I'm not gonna open that because I don't know what's in it. Also, that clicking is this blinker that's still on that we can't turn off. That's when my grandpa's going to fix it. Also, there's this thing. It's like a plug-in thing, and there's this pipe, probably for water, because, I mean, there's a fire truck, and you need water for a fire truck. Okay, now into the truck. I'm gonna get in there somehow. Like I said, that blinking is the blinker that is right in front of us. First of all, there's a lot of dead spiders in here, which is kind of nerve-wracking. And I don't know how to use the radio thing. But hello, no. Where do you put the radio thing? No, I put it on the ground when I found it. So this is a big steering wheel. I think I'm going to do a tour on our army truck, which is across the creek. We have 2 army trucks that my grandpa won for a bit. Also, we have another fire truck coming, which I don't know when it'll be here. But yeah, so then over there is where the spot is, where the fireman's in the back. And then driver's seat, the middle seat, and then there's this seat, passenger seat. The roof is scraped. And then here is my favorite part. So, we don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it. Okay. As I was saying, as we move around through this treacherous hole, this is complicating all of that stuff. My grandpa found something cool. Try not to fall off the side of the truck. So these are all of the code names. Alphabetic and Morse code. So, how my grandpa does it is, since my name is Emmett, this is my code name. He says, Echo, Mike, India, Tango. maybe we'll do a video with all the trucks and see which is the loudest, but the window rolls down with this thing. It's raining and we're gonna leave. But again, thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.
Look at this guy.
Good, but I need to get in. Not
Okay, come here, Stuart. Move.
I can't get it.
Oh! Okay. Does that help you, Stuart? Watch your head.
I'm so tired to look at man.
That back seat is kind of cool. Is it all wet?
It is.
Oh.
But the tanks go here. You see that this. Do 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 do.
Interesting.
I found Stuart's home.
Oh, what do you think? Oh, is this where the lift used to go?
Probably.
Don't slam that.
I found Stuart's
What
new
is?
home.
Oh, is that a power cord?
I guess so, and that could be Stuart's home.
Stuart, you live in there?
No.
No, that's not where Stuart's gonna live, Emmett. Interesting.
And then I bet there's more and more and everything.
Oh, it's just
Ooh,
lots
that's a
of
bigger home.
lots of empty containers. Oh,
Ooh la la.
wow! Look at
It
that.
goes to the other side.
Oh yeah, you can.
I can go to the other side. Say hi.
I don't know what goes on in here.
Guys,
So
open
this is where all
one.
the switches are. I don't know. We don't know how it opens.
Open. If you open that, there's the valves.
Okay.
Oh, it switches.
I know that.
Oh yeah.
Guys, so there might be stuff over here. In this.
Wow.
These are good only. Oh.
Oh yeah, more hoses.
Hello down there.
Yeah. Okay, I'm riding in the back. I got my seatbelt on. Okay. Yeah, let's go.
I just came back in the house because it was rain outside, but so that was really the fire truck. Hopefully the next one that comes will be cooler, but I'll show you both army trucks soon, and then maybe we could have a battle to see which truck is louder. Not with the horns, but just like the grumbling of the machine. I know this was a short video. I didn't have that much minutes on my camera, but thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Bye for now.